Hello, Ndewo. Welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where we teach you how to read, write, and speak Igbo in the simplest form. In this video, we will look at short and simple useful Igbo phrases. Kanyibido, let's begin. Kedu, how are you? Imaka, you are beautiful. Jisieike, keep it up. Daru, well done. Biko, please. Gini mere, what happened? Okay, let's go through it once more. Kedu, how are you? Imaka, you are beautiful. Jisike, keep it up. Daru, well done. Biko, please. Gini mere, what happened? How do we say God forbid? If you know it, write on the comment section and you might get yourself a prize. Subscribe. Bye.